The basic English vocabulary test. Do you think you have good understanding of basic English vocabulary? Today's lesson is challenging quiz to test and improve your Voca knowledge. Choose the best answer. You have to think right. You will get 5 seconds to choose an answer. Then I will provide the correct answer. Number 1. This medicine is from a tropical plant. A. Derived. B. Derived. C. Dry sip. The correct answer is derived, which means regenerate. Number 2. The new law will the entire community. Everyone will be affected. A. Impact. B. Impede. C. Impress. The correct answer is impact, which means affected. 3. My co-worker was fired for accessing the manager's computer without his A. Consensus. B. Consent. C. Contempt. The correct answer is consent, which means acknowledge. 4. Your idea was good in theory. There were just a few problems with the A. Implementation. B. Implantation. C. Implication. The correct answer is implementation, which means establishment. 5. As a teacher of my primary concern is the of my students. A. Welcome. B. Well off. C. Welfare. The correct answer is welfare, which means development. 6. Your performance. Our expectations. Good job, bro. A. Exceed. B. Exceed. C. Accept. The correct answer is exceed, which means beyond the limit. 7. The Senator Maccain is an for higher minimum wage. He says everyone deserves to make a fair living. A. Adversary. B. Advisor. C. Advocate. The correct answer is advocate, which means who give consultation. 8. If you don't stop overspending, you will run out of money. A. Inestimably. B. Inevitably. C. Inexhaustibly. The correct answer is inevitably, which means obviously. 9. Fortunately, the storm caused only damage to the building. A. Minimal. B. Minimize. C. Minimum. The correct answer is minimal, which means approximately low, and minimum is an adjective. 10. I was not feeling well, so I was to go to the outside. A. Reliant. B. Relinquished. C. Reluctant. The correct answer is reluctant, which means not interested. So, tell you what are you get out of 10 and Write on comment section. Thank you.